ihr könnt starten, wann ihr wollt.
Okay, so let's start. So we are from medialux. So we are promoting and make communication for Benelux, for France, for Switzerland, Austria, and also Croatia. We will do and in France. So for the core group and for PlusPunkt Energie. At the Smart Tech event, so it was a great event. Until now, we can introduce and present to our community and to our followers right now. So, Wall Street legend, so Douglas Anderson, CEO and Chairman from the Wall Street Capital Partners, and considered as one of the top experts and analysts worldwide for the financial markets. So we always do the same thing. We have 5 questions. So these are the give me 5 questions from medialux. And so the first question will be, so how do you see personally the future of the stock markets in the wake of global digitization, tokenization, and blockchain technology?
Well, I mean, that's a great question. I remember the floor of the stock exchange when there was paper,
just paper.
you know, 2 feet thick that you had to wade through to get to your post.
Yes.
And, you know, a trader had 2 minutes with a piece of paper to place a trade.
Take a decision, yes.
You know, I remember that environment, and we've come all the way to the day when I physically saw Goldman Sachs leave the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. I mean, not a lot of people know that, but Goldman Sachs no longer has a trading booth on the floor of the New York Stock Exchange.
A lot of people don't know.
Yeah, everything is digital, everything is algorithms, and you know, you used to have 2 minutes to do a trade. Now the algorithms do 100,000 trades in, you know, a minute, you know, or what.
Incredible.
And so, the whole thing is changing. It is inevitable that blockchain and the fantastic technologies that companies like Core Digital Technologies is coming up with, those are the future of stock trading, no question.
It's the future of the digitization, also of the financial markets. So
absolutely,
that's the future.
Yeah.
And it's also my second question a little bit, because how did you come across the core group, and how do you rate the core blockchain technology and it's related decentralized, that's very important, software solutions platform?
Look, I'm not a blockchain expert, although I've been asked to, on several occasions, come and be a guest speaker at blockchain events. This is where I met the Core Decentralized Technologies group, and what I think about the technology, even someone like me who's not an expert can see the dramatic difference in their technology versus what's out there. And I know what's out there. They beat everybody hands down. It's not difficult to discern, okay? I buy or sell a Bitcoin, and it can take anywhere from an hour, 2 hours to a day to complete that transaction.
Time is money.
Core does it in 42 seconds flat every time. There's no staggering. 42 seconds flat every time. You can't walk into a Starbucks and buy a coffee with a Bitcoin. Why? Because the mining and the proof of work takes forever. These guys have moved crypto much closer to a currency, a real currency.
Absolutely.
Because 42 seconds flat, guess what? You can get something with that.
And as bigger as the system, when the system grows, so it will be faster.
Exactly.
As bigger it is, as faster it will be.
I mean, today it's 42 seconds.
Around 14 seconds we are talking about. It's incredible.
Yeah.
From here to China, for example.
Yeah.
So, and it's for trading and for every other contract or also transfer, it's incredible.
So that's one huge advantage. Another is there is a lot of pressure out there these days on mining. I owned a mining facility myself, and the electricity, we ended up getting cut because it was just too much. We were drawing too much electricity, and the city that we were doing this business in said, we can't do this anymore. Not to mention the fact the effect it has on the environment. That pressure is coming, and Core's blockchain technology, their proof of work, it draws 6 watts of electricity versus the average of about 1,400 watts of Bitcoin or those other cryptocurrencies. I mean, it is a staggering difference. This is an order of magnitude difference, and so they are leapfrogging. They are the top as far as I'm concerned.
That's a little bit also my third question. So in your opinion, could the core blockchain technology be a real game changer in the financial world of the future?
Look, it definitely is, and it's not just my opinion. It's the opinion of the guys that I've brought to the board of directors. I don't make decisions myself. I have experts look at things before I say, yeah, I'm going to do this. It's key to get the smartest people you can around you.
Absolutely.
And so the smartest guys that I know in the tech business have looked at this. All of them have had the same reaction. Their mouths open. They're like, wow, this is a game changer.
We were talking about, for me it was like a starship. So when I heard the first time about that, I said, wow. And so everything's from one source, from a source. This is incredible. This is incredible. So it's really a connected system, and I didn't see a second one like this on the market. So that makes a difference, I think. So we were today also talking about in this event, talking about new technologies. So let's talk about green technologies and also energy, new energy, and so an example for that is the company PlusPunkt Energie we saw today. So are those digital assets right now, so your prediction for digital assets right now based on environmental projects and new green, let's say it's green technology, is this a must-have in everyone's investment portfolio right now?
Absolutely. I mean, and you see the biggest guys out there pushing and promoting this stuff all the time. The Michael Milkins of the world, all of those guys are saying, hey, look, we need to, as investors, push for ethical and bettering humankind,
protecting our nature.
Absolutely, So this is the
energy
trend.
For everybody.
This is the trend of investing, and never forget that the trend is your friend in investing. And so when you see the big guys going that direction, you should too.
So that would be my last question. So then, if we talk about the CoreToken, the CTN token, and the commodity tokens, so are they on your watch list or already on your buy list?
Okay, well, I mean, I'm going to just take the mic off and leave right now. You promised me I wouldn't have any stupid questions. Yes.
So you recommend it, absolutely.
I'm personally investing. I recommend this. Full disclosure, I'm on the board of directors, and that's also
you believe in it.
That's also a good sign. I wouldn't do that if I wasn't pretty damn sure that this is a Wonkavator.
Our community will be for sure happy to hear that. So thank you very much for your time. And it was really a pleasure for us to have such a legend with us.
I hope we can do it again.
So let's enjoy the evening right now.
Cheers.
Okay.
Let's
cheers.
do that. Prost.
Yeah, prost.